how to mention someone on Instagram story. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click you have to create a new story. So what you have to do, you have to take a story. After taking the story, you have to click on the when you take a picture, and then what you have to do is you have to firstly click on the this emoji icon. When you click on this emoji icon, then you have to click on the mention, and then you can mention any of the people. Let's say I mention the Cristiano, so you have to typing his username, and then you can type the this profile, and then here you can see the I have tagged the Cristiano. You can also add the this means links to this mention. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you want to again mention this person, so what you have to do, you have to click on the profile picture, click on this stickers, and then you have to click on the mention, and then you can type the username, and then here you can see all these username, all these profile suggestions. You can click on this, and then you can mention them. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.